friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to be giving you some tips to attempt your numerical reasoning questions. Numerical reasoning questions form a major part of your screening tests that are conducted by the airlines, either for your Cadet pilot program selection or the regular selection program that happens in the airline. So my tips today will be really helpful for you if you are someone who's preparing for your Cadet pilot entry or your general entry. So be with me till the end. Now, numerical reasoning tests are used by many airlines or most of the airlines in the selection process of their future flight crew. These tests are used to assess if the applicant can work quickly and accurately under stress and pressure. The one thing here that you should keep in mind is many of the tests don't require you to complete the entire set of questions. So even if you only get halfway through, don't lose hope. So when you begin with your paper, you should see how many questions are there in the question paper and how much time do you have to finish those questions. Based on that, you can allot the time that you need to be giving to each question to solve those. So once you have done these calculations, you've seen the questions, you've found out how much time do you need to give, you will be able to tell if you will be able to complete the paper or not. Now the trick here is, one thing to note over here is, if you exceed your time given for a particular question, you might consider moving on to the next one and coming back to it later if you think you have more time left. Sometimes what happens is some questions need more work done than the other questions, hence they need more time compared to the others. If you think that the question is really difficult, move on to the next one. Please don't waste your time cracking your minds on how to solve the question which you don't know. Rather move to the one that you think you know better and you can answer faster. Now there is no point in spending 2 minutes on a single question that only comes for 1 mark. Rather you can spend more time on solving questions that carry higher marks and are easier to solve. Now the next point is, don't guess the answer. Some tests are negatively marked and they also assess your accuracy. Even if your question is not negatively marked, if you take a wrong guess at an answer, this will bring down your accuracy level. Let me give you an example over here. If your test paper consists of 20 questions and you've answered all 20 questions but only 10 are correct, then your accuracy score is just 50%. However, if you answered only 10 questions and all the 10 are correct, your accuracy score becomes 100%. So the result is not always about your overall score, it also matters on your accuracy score. Now the next tip is, in some questions what happens is you are given more information needed than what you need to just find the answer. So this, my friends, is a deliberate strategy used by the company to see if you are capable of identifying and extracting the information that is useful to you, or rather the information that you need to calculate the answer. So these, my friends, were a few little tips that I had from my side to give to you to help you solve your numerical reasoning questions. I hope my video will help you in solving your question papers, and for your information, we have also solved the other question papers that are usually expected in the Cadet pilot program entrance tests. Those are the physics, maths and English papers. If you have any doubt, you can go to our channel and check out those papers as well. And I hope that you will keep following us and loving us, and stay tuned for more such informative videos and updates. Come, let's fly!